What's good, YouTube? Back with another video. We got mods. I got this King Clipper mods. This is actually an updated mod. I'm opening it up to see what we got here. So this is a fast feed mod for a JRL. The difference is you can put the ceramic blade on there. Now this is not just any ceramic blade. This is a ceramic blade straight from Amazon. It's not the coarse cutter and it's not the medium cutter. So we're gonna get this put on real quick. Now I'm taking off my old mod to do this. You cannot put the ceramic blade on the old mod. All right, I got it put on, of course, ceramic blade. We're gonna try this out this week and see what it's like. I've never used this Amazon blade. It's straight off of Amazon, to just fast feed ceramic blade. I'll link it in the description. Hit the link in the description and you can get this blade. You can also get this blade straight from King Clipper Mods off the website when you order this mod. We're gonna check it out and see how we like it this week.
This video is sponsored by Fresca.
Get your ass some Fresca today.
I did say that King Clipper Mods would update this mod. This is what we have now. That is a ceramic blade on there. Oster fast feed with the ceramic blade. This is a great product. The blend is crazy. The sound, it's a little bit quieter. That's the one with the fast feed blade on it. This is the ceramic blade. It makes it quieter than it already was. I've been using this non-stop every single day, every single haircut. This is a great mod. Honestly, my favorite clipper at the moment. I know I say it's my go-to about almost every clipper, but this is literally my go-to. I have not put this down since I got it. This ceramic blade hits different on this. It is crazy. To be honest, I don't think I'm going to be using any other clipper at the moment. It doesn't get hot. Battery lasts a while. You already know the JRL. It works very, very well. Easy to put on. You put it on just like the other mods. Everything is the same. It's just ceramic. So obviously it's going to be quieter and it doesn't heat up as fast. It doesn't really heat up at all, to be honest. I will put the link to this mod. Make sure y'all go to King Clipper Mods' website and get this mod right now. It is a game changer. This is the best mod on the market in my opinion. Like this video, leave a comment of what you think. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.